Notion. 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 Notion is noun. Notion is countable noun. Singular noun, notion. Plural noun, notions. Meaning. An idea, opinion or concept, mental apprehension, conception, a vague understanding or impression, whim. She was thinking, on her notion. Example sentences. She has no notion of resigning. He tried to divert her of that notion. She had a good notion about her work. I haven't the faintest notion how to get there. The boy's classmates laughed at his notion of becoming a cheerleader.